Hi guys, I think it's been like around 2 weeks since I posted the last video, and like I had cold. I was watching this series. I binged this series Gotham, and I was playing Valorant and deranking. That's a different case, okay. So like because of these things, I couldn't post the video, and today I thought, okay, let's make the video and post it. So last time we were talking about how a normal server works, how centralized application works and other stuff. Like if you haven't watched it, please go back and do watch it so that it will be useful to follow along. In this video, what we are going to do is we are going to understand what is blockchain and how it is different from like how it is making the impact in Web3 and how it is going to help us in creating decentralized applications and other stuffs, other interesting stuffs like what is the open source community and what is the blockchain community doing to make this technology into a better version. So now, without any further delay, what we can do is we can understand. Let's just differentiate the blockchain and I mean the centralized and the decentralized application with an example. I thought of animating, but like yeah, it's not working. So I'm just going to simply write and show it to you guys so that it will be easy to follow along. So let's go. Hi guys. Now again we'll start with the centralized and decentralized difference. Decentralized network and decentralized network difference by looking at an example. Here we'll look at a let's say there is a bank. So okay, I'm gonna draw bank just like a person, so it will be easy for me to draw. Okay, I think that's a person. So this guy is the bank, and I'm gonna take four more persons. So this guy is A, B, C, and D. So if A wants to send amount of 100 to B, what will happen is he will send it through the bank. So what will happen is in the back end, bank will have the data. So let's say there is a table. This is from and this is to from A to B. The amount is going to be 100. Let's say bank stores something like this. This is what usually happens in centralized network. So only bank can see, the C and D will not know here. Now, okay, having understood this, what problem here, like the problem which can occur here is, let's say if person B has let's say person B owns the bank. So what he can do is he can go and tamper the record. It's not necessarily that they are doing like they are tampering our accounts. Like I'm not saying that. I'm saying they can what I'm trying to say is they have the ability, they have the power, they have the authority to change the record since they are the only authorized persons. If B is going to be in the bank, if B is going to be like a very big authority, what he can do is he can just completely delete this transaction. Like so, if A is going to ask, like I sent you like 100 rupees money, what B will say, is he will say, no, I didn't receive any. And what if he is going to ask the bank, like bank will say, no, we don't have any records. This can happen. I'm not saying this is happening. Okay, that's a mosquito. I'm really sorry for that. So A is going to ask C, do you know anything about this? So C will not know like anything about whatever the transaction happened here. So essentially here what is happening is A is becoming as a victim. So now coming back to the decentralized network, what exactly will happen is, let's have this guy. Let's say this is a bank. It's okay. And this is going to be A. This is going to be B. This is going to be C. This is going to be D. So now what will happen is, once A is going to send 100 rupees from A to B, what will happen is there will be something like there is something called as a ledger. So I'll just write here. There is a term called as ledger, like that. It's a, how do I tell you? It is just like a logbook basically. Like just like our receipt, or how do I tell you, bill something. So it is just to record those things which are happening. So this ledger, this is a shared ledger blockchain concept. Like wherever you're going to look into the blockchain concept, it is going to be called as a shared ledger. So ledger is nothing but a logbook kind of thing, where you log all the transactions and other details. So what will happen is, in the ledger, it will be stored like A sent to B rupees 100 and B received rupees 100 from A, like something like that. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's nothing really. So this same copy will be shared with C, D, B. Like here we don't have any use for the bank. Just to like have the difference, I'm just having the bank here. Even like, let's say this is a decentralized bank, so even this bank will have the same data, like whatever is going to be there. So A, B, A, 100. Like, I'm just giving a random value. So now if B is going to modify or delete that particular transaction, what will happen is A can ask C and D to verify. So now C and D can tell that B has cheated, and they can prove that actually the transaction actually happened. The main part here is, you don't have to trust the bank. That is the main goal of the decentralized network. So basically, decentralized concept came because of blockchain, and blockchain came because of blockchain came into existence because of Bitcoin. So it was first like in practical, it came into existence because by the I don't know if they should I call them scientists, or like I really don't know. They call themselves, like, it was published by Satoshi. Okay, I really don't know the spelling now. I'll just try to correct it while editing. Nakamoto. So these, like, we don't know if this is a single person or a group of people, but they just published a paper, like, where this concept Bitcoin and blockchain could actually work. So like, blockchain came to help the Bitcoin cryptocurrency, so that the people can do anonymous transactions. And now we know, like, it's the worth is, like, it is going up in dollars. So I think this concludes the basic differentiation between centralized and decentralized network. So I think I'll stop here. Thank you.